Thanks for joining me. Today I got this old furnace I'm going to take apart and see what kind of valuable metals I can recover from it. Here's the items recovered from the furnace. You got an electric motor that's going to have copper windings in it. Small transformer. You got the regulator valve, that's aluminum, and there's a couple small pieces of brass on it. You got the igniter. It's got a piece of copper pipe and a little bit of brass. This piece here has got brass fittings on it. Got some electrical wire. It's got a few brass ends. I have a couple electrical components that have brass on it also. The furnace probably weighs over 100 pounds worth of steel. My estimate is by the time it's all cleaned up, maybe $15 or $16. There is some valuable metal in a furnace, but not very much. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you guys in the next video.